There it is. There she is. Oh my gosh. Oh my heavens, I'm gonna play with this. It looks so cute. Yeah. I'm gonna go eat this. Tastes so good. Good morning. Good morning, Mom. Good morning. I ate breakfast. It better not be the sweets again. You just ate from the sweets. Did you, sweetie? I did not. What are you talking about? Tell me the truth, or nobody's gonna believe you. Fine, I just actually ate some sweets. You know you're not allowed to eat sweets for breakfast. It's not healthy. Oh, okay, sorry. It's fine. Mom, there's literally nothing in here. That means we have to go grocery shopping, sweetie. Go put the teddy bear back. We have to go grocery shopping. Oh, man. We have to go. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It looks like a farmer's market. I know, right? By the way, let me get some bags. You guys want cereal? Okay. I'm not gonna get some oranges. Get that out of there. Shoot, I'm gonna put the potato here. It smells good. Yeah, I know. Hey, language. Yeah, watch your language. Sorry. It's fine. Don't do it again. People might freak out in this place. What's freak out mean? Freak out means like shocked or something. Oh. I like chocolate milk. I love chocolate milk. Can I have some chocolate milk? I don't want to ask something. I'm gonna go get some strawberry, guys. How do you get strawberry? Mom, let me go get it. It's right there. Thanks. Gets all the stuff. Pays for it. Don't ask me why I have this video on. It's just I was watching YouTube. It's finally good to have home. Yeah. I'm gonna go sit at the lemonade stand. You know it's closed, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go exercise. Wow, I guess you're working out. Okay, let me just put everything in the fridge. Not the cereal. Put that right there. I don't know what to do when I organize these Mom, it's literally embarrassing. I know it's embarrassing, but it's like kind of embarrassing. You just said it's embarrassing. Yeah, Mom. Okay, I'm gonna just put this in the trash. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. This is Sophie signing off. And I'm posting videos every day since I don't like it to be 13. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you would, please make sure you like and subscribe. But this is Sophie signing off.